Hi everyone, my name is Audita Sanatu Cynthia. I am a second semester student at Nahdlatul Ulama Al Ghazali University. I am someone who is learning to become more disciplined and confident in facing challenge. I realize that every experience, whether success or failure, helps me grow into a more mature person. For me, the learning process is not only about grades, but also about building character and developing a better way of thinking. In the next 5 years, I hope that I will have graduated from college and already have a job that matches my interests and abilities. Besides that, I also want to have additional skills such as good public speaking and the ability to work well with others. I want to become someone who is useful for my family, my environment, and my own future. My strength in learning English is that I'm quite interested in English songs, movies, and media, which makes it easier for me to learn new vocabulary. My weakness is that I lack confidence when speaking English. I am often afraid of making mistakes in pronunciation or grammar. Even though I really admire people who can speak English fluently because I think it's very cool. I think maybe I need to practice more often or build a consistent study habit. I understand material more easily through videos, pictures, and real examples. Because of that, I usually study by watching learning videos, taking notes on important points, and then trying to practice by myself. I also prefer studying little by little but consistently, so the material is easier to understand and remember. Every day, I wake up at 5 am, perform the first prayer, and help tidy up the house around 9 am. I get ready to go to college and stay there until the afternoon. In the evening, I usually use my time to rest and work on assessment in the area and on Sundays, I spend time with my family while also planning for the upcoming week, so I can welcome Monday with full enthusiasm. Productive activities are activities that provide real benefit for self-development, such as reading, completing assessment on time, and practicing new skill. These activities help me become a better person and bring me closer to my future goals. Meanwhile, activities that only keep busy are activities that waste time without giving clear benefits, such as spending too much time on a phone without purpose, procrastinating, or doing something only to busy. I realize that it is important to choose activities that are truly beneficial, so that time is not wasted. Yes, the next question. I use social media to find information, entertainment, and communicate with friends. However, I realized that excessive use of social media can reduce my focus on studying and waste my time. Therefore, I try to use social media more wisely. My digital rules are limiting the time I spend on social media, not opening social media while studying, and avoiding sharing information posted is unclear. I also try to protect my privacy and use social media for useful purpose. Online networking is faster and easier to use for communicating with many people compared to offline networking. However, offline networking is usually closer and more real because the interaction happens directly. In addition, online networking is more practical for finding information and building new connections, while offline networking is more effective for building trust and stronger relationships. I once faced a choice between focusing on organization activities or focusing on college assessment. Because of that, I tried to make a schedule so that both could run well together. Every month, I spend money on collecting news, food, transportation, and entertainment. I spend most of my money on daily needs of food and transportation, but only a small amount on entertainment. I try to save a small amount of money every month so that I do not spend all my money at once. If there is an unexpected need, I use those savings. In the way, my expenses become more organized and less wasteful. Yes, that it have answered all the questions, and apologies if there are any mistakes in the delivery. And thank you for watching and see you. Bye.